What is up, everybody? Welcome to the channel and welcome back to Southern Raceway.
Been a while.
It's been a while since we've been here. It's the three amigos, me, the mailman, and Uriah here with the turd.
For the second time.
Yeah, this is my second time to ever race this car here at this track. So we're excited. It's a Friday night.
Second time to ever race it.
Did we get it fixed?
Yeah.
We'll see.
We're hoping we got it fixed. We got to shout out Fletcher's Automotive and Joe Rutherford for supporting us tonight. They're sponsoring the race tonight. And so we appreciate you guys. We got a lot done to the turd. You guys have, if you've been keeping up, you know what we've done. I was able to do a few more things. I was able to get the new seat in, which I keep telling you guys about. So I've got a Lazy Boy recliner seat in here now.
I want to sit in
I also got an adjustable or a removable steering wheel, and I had to install a safety switch for the fuel cutoff. But the car's looking good. We got some halfway decent tires, and so we're gonna go out here and see if we can rip this thing. Hopefully it doesn't go into limp mode, but we've been ripping it down the road for a while now, and it's been doing good. So thank you guys.
Terrible looking tires.
Thank you guys for hanging out. We hope that we have some fun. So the class is called Bombers here. So you're gonna actually see some Crown Vics mixed with like Monte Carlos, Regals, different things like that. So y'all don't be confused by that. How's it feel? Good? So we're gonna get the GoPros on, get some gas in it for sure. I gotta get gas because the last time I was out of track, I forgot to put gas in there and I've got it. So we're gonna get everything done, put this together, and then we're gonna go out for some hot laps. Super late models. Way faster than Daddy's car. All right, tell them all what we did. What did we get done?
We spray painted this tire black.
All right, Uriah spray painted my tire black. What else? Papa got the air put on. We got the gas put in. And what is Papa doing now?
Putting the
Taping up all these holes, which is weird, huh?
Yeah, why is it?
I don't know what the advantage of that is, Dad. Do you?
I don't know what they're trying to do.
I think they're trying to make the car stay cleaner. So we put this safety fuel switch. He wants me to paint a red box around that. One of the drivers actually told me that and I just forgot. Oh well, huh? Yep, oh well.
I'll go get a cradle.
All right, I'm gonna get it strapped up. Got my Hans device on and we're gonna go get in. Take you along, go out for some hot laps. So let's see how the turd does. Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119,
went into limp mode. I did figure out that the wheel speed sensor was unplugged, so hopefully that helped. We also did not bring the scan tool, so we unhooked the battery and tied these two together, hoping that helped. But if not, we're probably gonna just have to ride around in the back. I hate to say that, but I can't control this thing, and I straight up forgot to bring the scanner at Dad's house. But overall, the car felt really good at the beginning, and I was like really happy with it. And then all of a sudden, I went into one turn and just let her fly. And when I did that, it went into limp mode. So I'm not sure if that wheel speed sensor being unplugged had anything to do with it or what. So I don't know, but we fixed the steering wheel. It's all messed up. The steering shaft definitely has to be replaced. We stuffed and made our own bushing to try to keep it from flopping all over the place. If it works, it works. If not, if it's too dangerous, I may not race. I may just park it. And if it goes into limp mode, we may just DNF. So I'm not sure, but I think I'm second row inside. I'm not real sure. I haven't looked at my phone, but we're about to line up for the heat race. Hopefully it went out of limp mode with undoing the battery and plugging that back in. Maybe it'll reread. If not, like I said, we'll DNF and we'll go watch Hunt the Front race. So here we go, heat race. Let's see how it does. I have no idea if we fixed it or not. It cranked up and read everything idled right, and so it's taking the gas. So we're gonna see. I'm not real sure, but we're gonna do our best. So let's try it. say so. I'll take it. Well, we got a second place, but as you guys saw, that steering wheel is crazy. It's all over the place. Sorry about the heat race. Dad took some amazing photos. We had to switch phones and it wasn't on video, so Dad got some good photos. It's all good. I'm gonna use the in-car anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. But I showed you guys, I didn't give you a close-up, but I'm gonna show y'all what happened. I take blame for this. I should not have tried to put in a removable steering wheel in this. Because I did that, the steering shaft's all busted. I should have just left the stock one in for testing and then made modifications, but you live and you learn. So let me show you what Dad's got. So he's got some old water hose that he's shoving down in there, and he's gonna put that around the shaft, and then we're gonna use a, what's it called, Dad? A hose clamp to clamp around the wheel. So pretty much he's trying to make his own bushing, and all we need it to do is to not rock up and down as bad as it is. So if he can get that in there and kind of make some kind of bushing, that'll be better than nothing, because that thing's moving all over the place. I love the trailer, so thank you, Christy. I know you're watching. The trailer is amazing. Actually, Christy's right there.
Love you.
Hey, babe.
Hey, right.
So yeah, we're gonna see if we can get that done.
Coming to a green flag.
Jonathan Joyner got second, right? Second place for Jonathan.
Like you.
Here goes Joseph. He's gonna go run some his super late model race.
Into the winner's circle, Double J. Ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, what's up?
So we did the best we could on hack jobbing this steering wheel. Dad took some water hose and shoved it down in the steering column, and electrical taped it, and then he put a hose clamp. So one or two things are gonna happen. I'm either gonna go out here and it's gonna work halfway decent and I'm gonna be able to drive this thing, or I'm gonna go out here and it's gonna flop around like Bugs Bunny's ears again, and I'm gonna just have to hold on. But
You're just gonna drive.
second place pays.
Actually,
Third place.
Third pays, so I just gotta
Last place
finish.
Should pay something.
Yeah, so I just gotta finish. So here we go. Dad, I'm gonna make sure I got the phone on video mode for you this time.
Yeah.
All right, so let's see if we can make something happen here. All right, here we go. The leader opted to start on the outside, so I'm starting front row inside. I may just send it into turn one. It may be the best turn I got.
Alright. It looked like what he was telling me is the leader wants the outside, and y'all can see why he wants the outside. All the black stuff's on the outside, so we're gonna see what Skyler can do with this old Vicky. I really hope it can do good in it and we can just sell it. It looks like there's only going to be 4 of them coming out. Nope, there comes the last one.
99F, Skyler Fleming from Moss Point, Mississippi. Row 2 is the 28 of Alex McDaniel. Beside him, the 33 of Mac Roberts. And tail end of the field, it's the 00 from Pensacola, Sonny Reed.
And the guy on the outside is the one on the pole.
12 laps to
Skyler
distance.
staying up in that black. He's
12
pretty
laps
smart.
to distance here in the Bomber Division tonight.
buzzing. Look.
All right, look, well, there's 2 laps left. You're going to the tail end.
Okay.
I don't know what's going on. I don't know why
Digger.
I guess they put him in the back because they were both involved in the Skyler power. He did, bro. You gotta go to the bottom. That steering is all jacked up. We should have taken the bottom to start with.
2 laps to go, still catching up with Zach Barwick. Sonny Reed in second, Alex McDaniel in third, and Skyler Fleming will be tail end of the field. Sonny Reed gets inside.
So sorry for hitting that guy. I am so sorry, dude. My steering's broke. Look. It locked up on me. I said, crap. So sorry, bro. No, I said, come here, I'll show you. I told him I was apologizing. Look, my steering wheel broke. I was putting that car. You pushing? Look at you. I hope your blows up. You should have just cussed. I said I'm sorry. My steering's broke. Gosh. People are just so stupid sometimes. I got a steering wheel that'll barely turn, and I apologize to a driver, and some guy wants to be a fool and cuss me out, and he ain't even in a race car. He's on the sidelines. Unreal, man. Well, guys, we came home fourth. No real damage to the car except the steering column is really hurt. But it wasn't the best. It wasn't my best race, but I felt like I was somewhat competitive. The car had a lot of power. We got a caution. The steering was junk from the beginning, but we got a caution. I'm thankful that Dad fixed the steering because before the caution came out, I felt decent. I hit the wall one time, but the steering is just all over the place. We've got to 100% fix that before anybody races this car again.
Sometimes you just need to leave stock alone.
Yeah, that was definitely my fault for busting up the old steering wheel, but we'll fix it. The car's somewhat still in limp mode. I had to cut the key off and turn it back on, so I'm not really sure what that's about, but I mean, it is what it is. But no damage whatsoever, really. The hood did flap at the very end. I got into the wall one time, but overall, it's still in one piece, and I'll take that any day. So we appreciate you guys watching. We got to see the Hunt the Front gang. Dad, thank you so much. Any last words?
Like, comment, subscribe.
That's right. I did. The guy that got frustrated with me, I got to give him props.
Yep.
He came right up and apologized to me. And so it's never okay to treat somebody like that. It doesn't matter if it's racing, not racing, or whatever. You don't treat people like he did. But I appreciate whoever you are. If you watch this and you apologize, that was what had to happen. So that was what is the word I'm looking for? That was
Proper thing to do. I appreciate him. I went over and talked to him. Look, I don't care who you are. I really don't. I don't want to preach here. There is no need in going up threatening you're going to screw somebody's life up, and they didn't say that word that I'm not going to say.
right.
Ain't no need in it. You run people away from your racetracks when you do that, fellas.
Yeah.
Look, ain't none of y'all that I'm probably talking to in NASCAR, and guess what? They mess up.
Right.
So Skyler typically does not wreck nobody.
Yeah.
He hadn't his whole career, but he can overdrive
Well,
and make a mistake just
Yep.
like anybody else. So before you come out of a stands and you
yell.
think you're the driver and you want to jump on somebody, you might want to think, you know what, that could have been my boy that did that to him. So don't
Right.
think about that,
yep.
because we didn't have a big crowd over here anyhow.
5 cars.
And people ain't gonna come when they start getting,
Threatened.
threatened. So
But when that accident happened, my steering wheel locked up. You guys saw I had a dadgum ratchet strap / zip tied water hose repaired steering wheel. And look, I mean, how can you drive a race car when your steering wheel is all over the place in your hands? So it is what it is. But thank you guys so much. We appreciate all the support that we've had over the last few videos. Share our channel with a friend. Let them know that we are racing if they like it, and come join us and hang out with us on our channel. Like Uriah and Dad said, like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think. Until next time, later.